Hey guys, we're back with another video, and I'm not live streaming. I'm doing a stream on creative destruction. So yeah, it's just loading now. It might take a bit to load. This is my first time doing it. I figured out how to stream on phone with what do you call with an app with creative destruction gaming. So yeah. It's going in. It's going in. Hurry up. Yes, good. Now it's going to load from here onwards. See down the bottom there at our knee? That's the part where it's loading. My little brother's going to be playing with me today too. His name is Savage1245. With capitals. My name's just Carlos, Karllos 1979. Hurry up. It's taking a while. Our little brother's just checking through all the gun skins he's got. Oh, look at that wooden one. That one, yeah. Oh, it's still not going in. That's frozen. Oh, it's going in. See if it's still recording. Yep. Sorry guys, it just went out of my phone to send, so it's loaded and we're going in. Sorry, it took a while. I'm gonna invite my little brother.
And we'll be doing duos.
Quickly, Harley. So, invited him. He's there, and that's him, Savage1245. And yeah, that's my skin. I got that skin. I'll show you all my skins. So I got this suit. I don't have any of them. I only got that suit. I got where is it? Oh, I got them. I got them. And where'd it go? Yep, there we go. Look. Where's my little skinny top guys? So yeah, I'll just go with that anyway. Oh no, not that. Oops. Accessories. That's the first skin you get. So that's the skinny one. That's the skinny one. No, the one that I had before. Yeah, and I got that. Let's go. You ready, Holly? Prepare and match. Let's go.
Follow me. There's 2 islands.
So it's gonna be a bit glitchy straight up, and then it'll go clear. everyone just mucks around here like shooting guns, and I know this hack where you can run up the top, and if you get on the top stage you can be on top, but it only happens sometimes. But there's this thing that's been happening every time the thing happens. I've been here and everyone's been paused. Was that you, Harley? No. See, there we go. Oh, Harley's on top.
I'm on 10 seconds.
Yeah, Harley's on top, guys. I'm not. Oh, there I am. I'm right there. Harley's there. So, where do you want to go? Do you want to go to Skylight or do you want to go to Line Park?
Right next to the new island.
No, don't go there.
Your Worm Corporation, a wonderful place where visitors never want to leave.
No, I'm fine. Go to Line Park with me. Yeah, come on. Let's get together. Let's go. Sorry.
Down there, and then find some loot and get the victory royale.
There's Harley there. So hopefully we get the victory royale, and if I die, I'm gonna spectate Harley. If he dies, he's gonna spectate me. Harley, remember I get the 2 chests over in the head. You can get one on the fountain, or there's another one over there on the fountain too. See, there's not all the time in Lion Park. There's either a chest there and a chest there, or a bear there and a chest here. Cause bears, you can build stuff. You can build stuff in this. So yeah, I can build a launch pad, and so here you can build traps and launch pads and stuff. And the bears, you break them open and they give you a special thing and to build like a gold brick. Yeah. I got XM8 scope. That's my first gun. I got bombs. I'm gonna see if I can bomb up that. Is it?
I'm down.
Did you blow
myself up?
You dumbo? He blew himself up.
By accident.
Just get inside the house, but
No, I'm walking to you. Now I'm saying
don't move. So I'm healing him now.
Yay.
So, do you have a med kit?
Yeah.
Oh, good. So Harley's got a med kit, guys. He's gonna med up, and you'll see
This
his.
is my DTR.
No, no, I revived you, so I get it.
Oh, pistol.
Oops. That's good.
Guy.
Guy, is there a guy? Where is he?
I'm down low. Build
Yeah, let me get him. Where is he? Is he up here on the hill? No, he was behind us, Harley.
I need med.
You met up.
And I'm low.
Oh, I can see him. He's right in front of me. Right in. Come on.
You killed him. What did he go?
Easy. Did you shoot me, Harley?
No.
Someone shot me. See what's going on. Someone just shot me. Yeah, easy. Just alright. My best gun is probably the DTR. No, I didn't have enough mats. I'm just gonna break this tree. See what's inside the house. Because there's normally chests in the roof of the house.
Really?
I think there's people. Where? I'm just gonna quickly. No. They got me. I need my DTR.
We've got some grenades. Where are they? I'll fire at them.
You got grenades? So I don't know where they are. See if I can get a kill with the grenades. It's awfully hard to get a kill with the grenade. So right there. Oh no, they're really close. Oh dang, I nearly blew myself up. I'm done. I think they're behind this house. They're battling someone. Where are they?
Carl, this is my house.
No, that's mine.
This is mine.
Oh, he's circling. Sorry. You got the shield inside here. Did you take my shield? Oh, no, I got it. Is there a chest in the top?
No. Found him.
Where?
Found
You got him?
He's right next to us. Down. This is mine. This is mine, Carl. Oh,
Share the skirt. I need that skirt. Yeah, I got the blue
oh
GT.
guy.
Can I have that skirt back, please?
Yeah. It only has 2 bullets.
I need it for the pump. Quick, I'm gonna trade it out for a pump. Just drop it. Thanks. Take the pump. Blue's better than green, guys. So I hope I'll take the blue stuff if I can. Bombs are suck. So yeah. Let's take that. Oh, you got any guns? So good.
Yeah, I
Are they good enough? Oh, you got 2 kills. Good job. More than me. What did he have?
I'll kill this guy. I'll kill this
Where?
guy, don't worry.
No, I got him. Holy, you're on fire. I just did that to waste the bullets so I could do it.
I killed him.
Yeah, I know. Because you got more shots on you.
I
see
don't
what
have
he
much
had.
bullets. I need him.
He had a blue pump. Come trade out your green pump for your blue pump.
No problem.
No, because blue's better, so hurry up and do it.
I don't even have a pump.
Yeah, I gave you the green pump, remember?
Whoops. DTR. That's what I wanted. There's a great DTR there.
I already got a blue DTO. So let's check on the map. Sky, yeah, do you wanna work our way up to Edenville and Vines?
Yeah.
Well, then mark it up probably. Yep. We'll go
I
up
just
to
saw a guy.
Edenville. Where? You'll see the footprint. Say where he is. 15 northeast, wherever. Up on the top map.
No.
Oh, there's a bear in the house, I think.
That's mine. That's mine because he looted 2 houses.
Fine. Oh no, that's a guy in the house. He's crawling, I think. Oh,
Yeah, it's a bear.
there's a bear. There's a med in there.
I
You
know.
need to take it. How many meds do you have?
There are. I only had one. This is my roof.
That's mine.
It's mine!
Shut up, Charlie. There's nothing in there.
Don't you
Don't whinge.
you gotta get the med?
No, I can't take any more. I got 3. I can only hold 3. I'm going over underneath the bridge to Edenville.
Same. I'll stick with you, Cole.
Right. I think there's a chest there. That's my chest. Oh, there's a guy marking it up. Can you take care of the guy?
Yeah. Don't care, don't worry about it. I got him. I'll take care of him.
I knocked him. Oh no, I killed him. Go check what this chest had. It normally has the purple. Because it's got a purple VHS. That's my VHS, Holly. Pass it back to my video, so I need. Holly, I need the gun for blue Uzi, please. VHS.
Blue Uzi, yes, baby.
Here you go. Come take it.
There.
Thank you.
Give me my blue Uzi. I want my blue Uzi.
Sorry. Let's see what
Can I
this
have the
guy had.
bullets? Because I got another Uzi which needs to run a bullet. I'll get the spare.
I've got the mats. And let's go loot this place. Hopefully there's a loot drop and I can get a legendary gun. Check if there's anyone in the water, Harley.
Yeah, there's Spooky. Yeah, there is.
Where?
I'll take care of him.
Oh yeah, I see him. I got the scope, let me get him.
No, I'll take care of him with my bomb. I'll take care of him with my bomb.
Oh, I nearly got him. Yeah? Am I the only one?
with the swimming. Can you put it where it's supposed to be, please?
Staying up on me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hot. I got him.
You got him?
Yeah, killed him.
I'm normally really good, but because it's a blue scope, I'm normally only good with
Epic.
purples and legendaries. Because legendary, if you headshot them, it's a one-shot kill.
Mass?
Yeah.
For his thing, will be sting. Get your first.
Yeah.
Another guy.
I went to the pool with Noah, my friend, and my wet clothes. So,
Got another guy here.
Harley, I'm gonna pick these this stuff up. Yeah, Noah's in my stuff.
somebody.
Harley, go to your mum. I'm doing it. Yes, I said yes.
What do you want me to do?
No, he moved last year here. Go to your mum. I'm in a video. Just pick it up for me and bring it over to me for this blue bolt.
We only have 15 bullets.
I only got 10 bullets in this, so yeah.
It's that one.
Oh dang, there's a girl.
I got it. I killed her.
You got her?
Yeah. You know the base. I killed her. Oh no, you did.
See what she had. She had a legendary. Oh no, she didn't.
What
Don't take my DTO.
There's your legend. There's your epic.
Where is it? Over here. Oh, it's a VSS one. Can I keep the blue one then?
Why?
Because I might need it.
Yeah.
Grab those bandages. See the scope at the end? They're the worst scopes.
Airdrop is coming.
Where's the epic? Where are you going? Are we going to Eddie Vines?
Yeah. Okay, to Edmund Benson. The VSSs, the bolt action that one. Oh dang, there's a guy right there. Hey dude.
I got him.
Oh my god. Did I kill him?
Yeah.
Alright. It was a bit laggy then. That's why I didn't show up the numbers of hits I got on him. Let's take these bullets.
Eddie Vines just out of town.
I'm in the middle of a game, Mum. So yeah, I'll see if I think there might be someone over behind here. Harley, give me back up, cause I'm only on 47 health.
Where are you?
Let me just med up. I'm
There's a
med.
drop here. You stay here. The drop will come.
Where's the drop?
Can't you see it's up on that mountain?
Yeah, but it's not gonna fall down.
Yeah, but we can climb up
Yep.
there. Can't we?
Yep. So Harley, do you want to climb up there or not?
Yeah, that's one of the buildings.
Oh, no, don't go up there.
Is there a guy trying to drop me?
Well, there was some gunshots there. I just saw. See him?
It's up on the mountain. Die! Okay, I dropped her.
Here's an.
Teammate.
So can you take him on?
Low.
Can you take him on or not?
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
Did you die or
Yeah.
not? Did you kill him?
Killed him.
Well, you're lucky. Hurry up and med up. Do you have any med kits?
Like a glitch.
Do you have any med kits?
Yes. No,
Yeah.
I got bandages. It was like a glitch. It was someone died.
Oh, good. Hey, at least that's a good glitch.
Yeah.
So, guys, there's 21 people left. And, yeah. Yeah, let me just build up.
I can make a launch pad.
Yeah, make one. Launch pad into a circle. Now, let me get this. Is the thing here yet? Where's the...
Launch pad.
No, where's the...
What?
I think there's a guy. I just saw. Oh, no, it's a tree. where's the launch? Where's the airdrop? Loot box.
Look, Martha.
Where's the loot drop, Holly?
What loot drop?
Did you take the loot drop?
No.
You said there was a loot drop up here. Oh yeah, it's landing over here. It's about to land.
Where's the launch pad?
Where are they down there in the town?
There's two.
Oh no.
From where I am. There's a launch pad up here.
I'm launch padding over. Where are you?
Up here. Other way? Opposite way?
Yeah, I'm coming. Can I get one of the loot drops?
You might win
Oh,
this.
I don't care.
Hurry up. You might win this. Hey.
Oh dang, I took some. If we keep the high ground, we will. Do you think we should just stay up here or not?
No. We're out of the safe zone.
Yeah.
We might be able to stay on that mountain.
It'd be good if we got a victory on my first video.
Airdrop is coming.
Oh, there's 3 airdrops over there. Run! Run to the airdrops. It'll be good if I get a victory. A dub on my first gaming video.
I'll get this one down here which has already landed. I get this one down here.
No, I probably will.
Now I'll get this one up on the mountain. Sort of in the mountain.
Getting the one that's on there.
The one which I'm heading to. This is one. Yours is down below.
What if there's a legendary bolt? Can you have it for my purple? What was in it? Oh, an airstrike! Holly got the thing that you can only get once in a game.
I got it twice.
I've only got
Where
it
should
once.
I airstrike?
Airstrike in the middle of the safe zone.
Well, that's where we are.
Let's move.
That's how big it is. Oh, I'm getting shot. I'm down.
Sorry, Holly. I can't get you. How far away are you?
Not far.
I got
There's
2
people.
staples.
Just heal me first and make
It's
a mini
okay.
base. Make a mini base. Get in.
Are you in it?
Yeah. Heal.
Don't move.
Go.
Are you shooting it down?
Yeah,
Oh,
there
dang.
you go. You know, I have a good thing. You're gonna let me die? Oh, poop. Just heal me. Just heal me.
No, I just knocked it.
I died.
Holly's dead. It's okay, Holly. I'll see if I can get the dub.
Get the thingy and strike.
Oh, the airstrike.
Airstrike. Airstrike.
Where is it?
There. Computer. A computer. You're gonna get one. Do it now.
I'm running.
Get out of. Get behind something.
Guys, I've set a big gun off.
Airstrike.
No, airstrike.
One of their players has dropped from it. There's 2 teammates.
Oh. No, I'm dead. I died. Sorry, guys. So yeah, they killed me, and
She has a new gun.
oh, she had see the purple gun she's got. That's a brand new taser gun. It's the best gun. It's the best gun.
It kills you in 2 hits.
Yeah. So she's probably gonna. She took. Oh, she's got a new. She's got a new. Unicorn gun. I've never heard of
It's
them.
not a gun. It breaks trees and everything.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's it. So yeah.
You gonna have another battle?
No. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you. Oh, let's see them 20 level up. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.